How to fix Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix a Snapchat. Now, if you're unable to receive or send snap on Snapchat, then what you can do is, in order to fix this kind of error, first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then you'll not be able to use, or your Snapchat won't work. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So for the step number 2, what you can do is you can check for the update. In order to update the application, you need to open up your Play Store, and on the search box you need to type in Snapchat. And once you type in Snapchat, next interface, if you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available, and it might be the reason why you are not able to use Snapchat, or your Snapchat wasn't working. If updating the application does not help, then you can simply long press on your Snapchat application and then click on the app info. And once you click on app info, now you need to click on storage and cache. Once you do that, click on clear cache and data, and after that you need to re-log in into your account. Once again, on the app info page, you need to click on permission, and you need to make sure that all of these features are enabled, and after that you might be able to, and if you're still unable to fix it, then you can uninstall the application and then restart your device, and at the same time reinstall your Snapchat application, and that might be able to fix it. So those are the few steps on how you can fix your Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.